Why cabbage prices suddenly dropped in Japan. In recent weeks, consumers across Japan have noticed a dramatic drop in the price of cabbage. What was once priced at over 800 yen per head has now fallen to nearly a quarter of that, with many supermarkets selling cabbages for as little as 200 yen. This sudden and significant change has surprised many shoppers and raised the question, why did cabbage become so cheap so quickly? There are three main reasons behind this sharp decline in cabbage prices: favorable weather conditions, the peak harvest of spring cabbage, and a temporary oversupply in the market. Firstly, weather plays a crucial role in the cultivation and market availability of vegetables. During the winter months, Japan experienced colder than usual temperatures and limited sunlight, which slowed down the growth of cabbage crops. Farmers were unable to harvest their crops on schedule, leading to a temporary shortage and high prices in early 2025. However, as temperatures rose in March and sunlight increased, cabbage growth accelerated rapidly. This sudden improvement in conditions led to a bumper harvest, increasing the volume of cabbage available on the market. Secondly, the timing of the spring cabbage season further contributed to the price drop. Spring cabbage is softer and sweeter than its winter counterpart and is highly favored during this time of year. Large farming areas across the country, including Chiba and Aichi prefectures, began shipping their spring produce almost simultaneously. As a result, supermarkets were flooded with a sudden influx of fresh cabbage. Thirdly, the market experienced a temporary oversupply. With so many farmers harvesting and shipping at the same time, supply quickly outpaced demand. In a free market, prices naturally fall when there is more of a product than people are willing to buy. This basic principle of supply and demand explains the sharp decline in cabbage prices observed this season. The drop in price has had both positive and negative effects. For consumers, it means a great opportunity to purchase fresh vegetables at lower costs, helping to ease household budgets. Many families and restaurants are taking advantage of this period to buy in bulk or experiment with cabbage-based dishes such as okonomiyaki, coleslaw, and stir-fry. However, for farmers, the story is more complicated. While they are able to sell large quantities, the lower unit price means reduced profit margins. Some producers are concerned about whether their efforts and investments will be financially worthwhile this season. In conclusion, the sudden drop in cabbage prices is a result of improved weather conditions, the natural timing of spring harvesting, and market oversupply. While consumers benefit from cheaper produce, farmers must navigate the economic challenges that come with fluctuating prices. It is a reminder of how sensitive agricultural markets are to environmental and seasonal factors, and how closely our daily lives are tied to nature's rhythm.